Today in this video we are going to make super easy beautiful flower using foam sheet. Hi friends, welcome to diycraftysewing channel. To make this flower, here I am taken rectangular piece which is having the width approximately 2.5 centimeters and length 14.5 centimeters. Now as shown here, give a mark for every centimeter on the wrong side of the sheet. Now based on the marking, give a cut as shown in the video. Now be ready with the needle along with thread. Now give a running stitch as shown here. If you notice, this flower is very easy. Within less time we can do it. You can use this flower for hair accessories and crafts, etc. As per your creativity you can use it. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for more upcoming beautiful videos. If you have any doubts or comments regarding this video, let me know in the comments section. Now pull out the thread from the both ends as shown in the video to get the beautiful flower shape. Now give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. In the middle of the flower, decorate with ornamental stone. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.